The P2110 code indicates a forced limited RPM mode. This is a safety feature, or limp mode light, activated by your vehicle's engine control unit, or ECU. It happens when the ECU detects a problem with the electronic throttle control system. Instead of shutting down the engine completely, it limits the engine speed to around 2,500 to 3,000 RPM. This allows you to drive to a repair shop, but prevents high-speed driving. Common causes for the P2110 code include a mismatch in the pedal sensors, a sticky throttled body due to carbon buildup, or low system voltage from a weak battery or alternator. It's important to note that you can't fix the P2110 code directly. It's a signal that there's an underlying issue that needs to be addressed. Other related trouble codes that might appear alongside P2110 are P2104, P2105, P2106, P2135, and P2101. To diagnose the root cause, a mechanic will scan the codes, check the freeze frame data, and perform tests based on the manufacturer's specifications. It's crucial to diagnose and repair any other codes first, as they might be the reason the failsafe mode was activated. Resolving the P2110 code involves identifying and fixing the primary issue. This could mean cleaning the throttle body, replacing a faulty pedal sensor, or addressing electrical problems. After the repair, a throttle body adaptation may be needed to clear the code history and reset the RPM limit.